Hello there guys! Today I woke up and I realized that I need to have some changes in my life. I feel that I fall into this procrastination wave where I can easily allow myself to watch videos, talk to people I don't need to talk and stuff like this, where I would not prioritize my goals highly enough to follow them. And this could happen because of the two reasons. First is fatigue, and second is challenges, like big challenges that I have to accomplish, and I'm not probably ready for them yet. I felt like I'm falling out of my yearly goal plan and I have to change it. I clearly realized that today is a day and today I'm going to vlog my day, trying to be as productive as I can. And usually my problem is that I would write down 10 points to do at this day, but I would most likely finish the day with 2 or 3 and feel myself bad and will try to punish myself somehow that I wasn't too productive as I hoped I would. But after a while I realized also that it doesn't work, so I allowed myself to be chill sometimes. And it brings me to this wave of procrastination. So let me share with you what is on my table today. By the way, I use these sticky notes. I really prefer very bright colors so that they could hook my eye, and every time I'm going to watch videos I would check them out and would immediately remember, oh yeah, that's important. So that kind of works somehow psychologically. List of the things that is very easy and very quickly to do, and 3 other big deals which I highly prioritize is changing the documents like pitch deck, whitepaper and one-pager for our ICO. And for pitch deck and one-pager it's not a big of a deal because we just need to change a few details, but whitepaper is a big one, so I'm kind of a bit frustrated to get into there, but I have to. Then I have to prepare content for the next class of my user experience design course. So this is also on the table, and I was promising and I was really excited to write an article about women in crypto industry. So I have to look for girls who are very excited and doing something in the crypto ecosystem, changing something, maybe doing ICO or infrastructure projects, and I need to dig into this. So that's another thing to do. And let's see how many out of this 7 points I will finish by the end of the day. Let's go!
I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
So communication part is over, and now I wanted to show you my room just a little bit. This is a place I am actually working from. Here's my table. A lot of stuff here. So we have a lot of different type of stuff. I have different visit cards for different purposes. One is my freelance card, and one is the card, actually outdated card for my startup. We are already changing the focus, so the description is wrong here. My ID card for Estonia, for Estonian residency. I have a lot of pens and I'm also always running out of use. And also I have a little box with cables, with 100 different type of cables. Part of my table is the window rack, if I can say so. I have a lot of sketchbooks, unused, some project wireframing, some sketchbook for different purposes, and voila! I also printed out a lot of pictures with my boyfriend, and I hope to hang those pictures in here, like finding some pins and putting them in a nice organized way, but at the moment I don't have pins, so maybe I'll try to visit Tiger shop and buy pins and sketchbooks, but later.
I like to love you, if I may. I like to love you, I like to love you, I like to love you, night and day, if I may.
Alrighty guys, so the next touch point is done, pitch deck is ready, and here is how I usually do this. We have a place where we have all the docs, and I will just open the card that belongs to pitch deck, and I would drop the Dropbox link with the pitch deck, simply because I may update it later and I don't want to drop to the card the whole pitch deck if apparently I will edit it later. Anyway, here we have our flow of the current tasks we have right now in a Calambri, and as soon as I'm ready with one task, I just drop it ding to the done, but at the moment it's not ready. Okay, pitch deck, final pitch deck, here it is. So yeah, it should be about 10 pages. It was before 15, but we shortened it down, so some crucial things has gone, but it's still pretty much readable, I would say. Yeah. Anyway, it's lunchtime now, so yay, food!
I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
So I have done about 17 pages from Whitepaper today, which is maybe 50% as I wanted. So yeah, first page, second, disclaimer, introduction, market. Then we were talking about the product, the platform, and token. How does it work? And here we stopped because this block is from probably previous page, white paper. So yeah, still a lot of work to do. What I'm actually doing is having pages on one side and having sketch on the other side. And of course I'm pretty much copying it, but I'm trying to illustrate it and organize information in a way that it's readable enough, and also hyperlink stuff and draw small illustration, or if I see the information looking like, let me show you, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, I feel like, this isn't very readable. What if I try to find a better way to represent information graphically? That's what I'm doing. And yeah, this is it. And oh, by the way, I wanted to show you also one great program called Timing. I guess I was mentioning it a couple of times in Instagram. What it does, it literally tracks my results. So I can see that I was 64% productive today, and I've spent about 7 hours doing something online and in my computer. And if we break it down, we can see that most of the time it was sketch, some of Google. Also, actually, you can see it by projects and tasks and by apps, but I prefer watching by apps because sometimes it gives me more insights. And anyway, graphic, browsing, bit of office, communication and stuff like this. So I would say communication took me half of a day today. And sometimes Google just doesn't understand what kind of websites I'm sitting, and he doesn't understand that I'm doing a landing review. So it's not that I was browsing, but more of a working. Okay, now I'm going. So as you can see, it's getting a little bit dark in here and also a bit rainy, but I really want to go out, and I don't think I am able to stay at home anymore. поддерживаю.